What up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys read the title right. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to style a monobrow. Now, if you guys follow me on social media, you guys will know that I'm growing out my eyebrows again, and it is currently 7 weeks, and I'm gonna go for longer than 7 weeks because I feel like there is more time and it needs more time to grow. But I'm going to be doing a part 2 brow transformation, so that is why I'm growing it out. So we're gonna get started and I'm gonna show you guys how to style a monobrow. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is the current situation, you guys. This is 7 weeks of not touching my eyebrows, and I think it needs a little bit more time. I want the middle part to close up a little bit more, so that's what we're going to do. But let's just pop her to the side for now. That's what it looks like, brushed to the side. Okay, to get started, I'm gonna go in with my primer, and I'm using the Fessional Matte Rescue. I'm gonna leave all the stuff that I'm using down below because I don't want to be sitting here doing this the whole video because it's so tiring. And I'm just gonna go ahead and warm up the product. You guys will know that I have trouble always pronouncing words. I just speak so damn fast. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia brow brush. You can use any brush you want, and we're gonna go ahead and start with our eyebrows. Now, what I like to do is I like to brush my eyebrows upwards and figure out how I'm going to want them. Now, I'm gonna go for that brushed up vibe. So we're gonna brush them right up and just analyze them a little bit. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and start concealing the underneath of our brows. I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 226 smudger, and I'm also going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm using the shade 15 Fair Clair. So I'm going to start from the inner corner from here, and I'm going to start creating that line.
So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this part, but I'm just going to continue cutting the underneath of my brows, and I'm also going to push the product downwards and then go with my finger to blend in the product. And now you also want to bring in that product close towards the monobrow, and we're going to start creating that sharp point and connecting it from both sides of the brows. Now, this doesn't have to be too defined and it doesn't have to be too pointy, so if you guys are finding that it's too pointy, you guys can just blend it in with your finger and make it look a little less harsh. And then after we've done this, we're going to go ahead and conceal the top part of our brows and just make everything look a little bit more
Okay, so I've concealed the brows nicely. Now you can see that nice white line going across my eyebrows, and that's just really giving them that strong definition to the brows. Now I'm going to be using the KY Brow. This is by Kylie Jenner. It's the Eyebrow Extreme Hold Gel. I actually did a review on the Kylie Jenner brow products. You guys, I will leave that down below for you guys in the description so you guys can take a look at it. I'm going to start brushing my eyebrows. Now I'm going to start from the inner corner, and I want to bring them up as high as I can. I'm also going to brush the middle, so I want those hairs to sit nice and neat as well. And I'm just going to really brush them up and hold. Brush and hold. Insane. Now, once my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go ahead and do eyes, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Pastel Lilac eyeshadow palette. I love this palette because for those that know me, my favorite color is purple, so I think this is like the perfect palette to use for this look that I'm going for. I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm just going to use that to bring out my natural eyelid color a little bit more. Now, I'm not gonna put any concealer on my eyelid because I don't know if you guys have watched my other videos, but I don't really put any concealer on my eyelids. I like to just keep it as it is and then just use eyeshadow colors to make it either a little bit more intense or just to cool it down a little bit. And I'm going to start placing that all over my eyelid. I think I might change brushes. So I'm going to go in with the 224 Luxe Define Crease. That other brush was not working for me. I'm just going to use that and place that all over my eyelid. Just like that. I'm just going to bring that up as well to the brow bone. And I'm going to go in with that nice beautiful purple, which is the first color of the palette. And we're going to go in from the corner of the eyes and use dabbing motions to blend that in. Like that. I'm going to bring it in, and then we're going to slowly blend that into the crease. Halfway, we're not going to bring it all the way in. I love this palette. It's so nice. And I'm going to grab some of that dark purple, and we're going to place that in the corner, and we're just going to make it really stand out. Going to bring that now nicely into the corner of our eyes, whatever's left on the brush. Wow, look at that, you guys. And I feel like when it comes to Huda Beauty, I think she just knows. She knows what's up. She knows how to work her magic. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this beautiful metallic purple, which is the third color on the top of the palette. And firstly, I'm gonna grab this finger and I'm going to grab some product first. I'm gonna place that on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with the 231 Luxe Petite Crease. And I'm just gonna blend that in so the shimmer just separates a little bit and it's not too harsh. I feel like a fairy with a monobrow. I don't know how much I want to put on though. Now I'm going to go ahead and start concealing some areas of my face. So I'm going to start with the bottom of my eyes, and I'm also going to put some here, some up here. And now I'm going to go in with my Sephora Pro foundation brush. This is the one, it's called Fond de Teint 47. I don't even know if I pronounced that right, but I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to go ahead and start blending that in. So once I have blended in my concealer, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. And I'm also going to use the same Sephora brush. And now I'm going to start placing that on my face. You guys, I love this foundation. It literally applies on so nicely. And it's got amazing coverage as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that. And just use dabbing motions and light swiping motions as well. And I'm gonna grab some more of that foundation. Oh my god, I'm actually really liking this foundation. Look at this, ready? Let's try here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ooh. She's a good one, guys. She is a good one. Now you want to be careful when putting foundation on your nose because you don't want to ruin that nice sharp point you created with the concealer for the monobrow. Alright you guys, so I've gone in and done my foundation. I'm going to go in and set my face. And I'm using the Mercier translucent powder. If you guys have been watching the makeup tutorials, I'm sure everyone uses this translucent powder. Now I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 127 Luxe Cheek. Now you guys will know that I use a lot of the Zoeva brushes because I absolutely love the quality that they provide. And I just love how their brushes allow you to apply your makeup. Okay, once I have set my face, I'm going to go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer and I'm going to use the same brush that I used to set my face. And I'm just going to grab some of that product and now we're going to warm up our face a little bit. I'm also using a very, very light hand when doing this. I'm going to bring that up. Okay, so my hair's tied back up now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that it is all blended in nicely. And I'm using the Zoeva 106 powder brush. So I'm gonna go in with the Dandelion, and this is by Benefit. I love, love, love this blush, you guys. Honestly, you need to get onto it. And I'm not going to be shy because I do want my cheeks to be peachy. And it's also got like a little shimmer to it as well. See how it's just like that nice. I really like it, you guys. It's a really, really beautiful blush. And I'm actually gonna grab a little bit and pop that on my nose like that and on the top. And I'm gonna bring that and I'm gonna connect that to where I've put blush and bronzer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and do the bottom of my eyes. I'm going to go in and grab that middle color. And I'm using the 231 Luxe Petite Crease. And we're going to start with the bottom part. And I'm just going to start placing that under my waterline. I'm going to go back in with that first color. And we're going to bring that underneath the eye. You guys, look at this eyeshadow. Wow. And I'm going to grab some of that darker purple and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. And I'm going to start bringing that in. And you know what? I'm actually going to grab a little bit more and I'm actually going to place that up the top. Let's make that purple really stand out. That's amazing. So I'm gonna go in with the Forever New. It's the white pencil. I think this is the Khol pencil 2K. And I'm just gonna start putting some white. Just to make the purple stand out. And just the top waterline as well a little bit. And I'm just using an eyelash curler from Kmart. It's a really good eyelash curler, you guys. Like, look at that. She really makes them pop. I don't really like to wear false lashes. I don't like glue near my eyes. Our eyes are precious and I think we forget that a lot. Don't put glue near my eyeball. I don't want glue near my eyeball. That's just weird. I am weird. Weird is cool. I'm going to be using this mascara by Maybelline, and you guys, this is like my favorite mascara of all times. I am telling you, this is the only mascara I use, and you will literally see me use this in like every single video. I have been using this mascara since high school. I've just never come across a mascara where I can be like, wow, it just separates my eyelashes so nicely. It's not too much. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start applying that on. And I'm going to do 2 coats. You guys, this eyeshadow is actually insane. I'm loving it. Okay, once I have done my mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette, my favorite highlighting palette. You guys would know what's up. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna use my finger. And then now, I'm gonna use my finger to put that on. I'm gonna go and put some here on my Cupid's bow. And I'm gonna put that in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Now I don't want the setting spray to hit my eyes, so I'm using the MAC's Prep+Prime. I'm gonna grab my palette and I'm just gonna cover my eyes. And I'm just going to air dry it now with my palette, and this is just going to dry it quicker and just hold everything together in place. This foundation, I can't get over this foundation. Okay, once I have done all of that, I'm gonna move on to my lips. Now I don't want my lips to be too bold, so I'm gonna be using a really natural tone lip liner, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade 125 Magnetic Mauve. So I'm gonna start from the bottom. Just like that. So now I'm going to go in with my Frank Body Lip Balm, and I'm going to use that to blend in my lip liner. Then now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it straight directly onto lips, and I'm just going to blend that in. So I'm thinking maybe like this. I'll bring out these bad boys. Okay, so I've just put this scrunchie on. Now, my girlfriend gave me this. Her work was like doing like these little cute little bag things. So she got me one of them from work. So it's a really cute scrunchie. And these earrings are from Kmart. You guys, I paid like $6 from them. They were so cheap. And I'm wearing this beautiful piece that I got from Dior, which is like my all-time fave. But this is basically, you guys, this is how to style a monobrow. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And also please make sure you guys don't forget to go and follow both my Instagram pages to keep an eye out on more content, and also my personal life as well if you guys are interested. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.